Krista.
And I'm Juell.
And this is Dry Bones Awake. Today we are going to be whipping up our signature post-sun tallow and mango butter.
Let's do it. All right, so step one. In a glass bowl, we have 1/3 cup of grass-fed beef tallow, 1/3 cup of mango butter, and 1/4 cup of shea butter. And these are our base oils, so just gonna help rehydrate the skin after you've been in the sun all day.
Great. So we're gonna put this on the stove. We have water boiling over here. We're gonna let it melt, but we don't wanna let it get so hot because then you have to wait for it to cool. It won't hurt those particular oils, but it's just good not to overcook them because then you just have to wait longer. By the way, we also have a bowl cooling in the freezer because we're going to use that to add in our delicate oils to this when it's done, and it'll cool faster.
Let's preheat that body, baby.
Okay, so first we're going to be doing the countertop pushbacks. Now, you know I love the countertop push-up. This is taking it a step further into a little bit of a good morning. So you would come down in your push-up pose with your elbows back, and then once you push up, you hinge at the hips and go parallel to the ground, almost in like a mini good morning. And so you can do this 8 to 10 times. It feels so good. Just like that. Okay, now Juell's gonna come and she's gonna give us a rear lunge pillar move, something like that.
Okay, so for this one, you're just gonna stand straight forward. You're welcome to do this one with me.
Oh, I
if you
want to.
And we're just going to take our right or your left. You're gonna alternate back, lunge back, come forward, bring your leg up to tabletop, back down.
How many times?
10 times, and then switch to your other side and do 10 times on the other one. And you can do as many sets. You can do 2 to 3, however many sets you want to do.
I got the organic shea butter.
I got the
Juju
mango
doesn't
butter.
like how that smells. All right, so basically you are going to be putting your hips straight forward. You don't want your hips to rotate at all. And they're gonna be shoulder width apart. And you're gonna start down with your arm straight and you're gonna chop up. And we're gonna do this, and you give it a little, right at the top. Oh yeah, that's kind of fun. Right, like you're throwing something out. Throwing it out, okay? We better do the other side, Juju. Start here. Here we go. Here we go. If you hit me in the face, that would be interesting. Okay, just like that. Hope you enjoyed. Let's see if our base is ready. So we've got our cooled bowl that we're gonna use to just cool down our base a little bit more here in a moment. And we are taking 1/4 of a cup of jojoba, and we're gonna empty that into here. So we've got that. And then what do you have, Juell?
And then we are going to do 2 tablespoons, 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. And we're just gonna mix those in. You should be adding those in immediately after you take it off of the heat.
Good.
And then we're going to dump it into our cooled bowl. We just put our bowl in the freezer for a few minutes.
Wait,
it's going in.
Cool
what?
color.
Oh, it's hot.
It's so pretty.
Oh,
Wow.
yeah. Ooh. I didn't want you to burn your hand. I guess it's not that hot.
Ooh, should we get some out with our...
Yeah, it's slipping a little bit. Go ahead, go ahead.
If it splashes and gets in our eye, that's going to be...
Okay.
Our safety goggles.
So...
Okay, now we're actually going to be whipping this here shortly. So I'm looking forward to that. We want this to be really light and airy, putting it on after you've been in the sunshine.
All right, so we have just gotten our ingredients out of the fridge. You want it to be solidified around the outside, a little bit slushy on the middle. You don't want it to be fully solidified all the way through or else it'll be harder to whip. So now that we've gotten to that consistency, we're going to add our more sensitive ingredients, starting with 1.5 tablespoons of arrowroot.
This is what makes it thick and yeah, thick and good. Thick and great.
Now we're adding 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil.
There we go.
Ooh.
Oh, this is Juju's favorite part.
This is my favorite.
This is her signature smell, not mine. I'll share mine later. Go ahead.
So we are going to be adding in sweet orange and vanilla, which this is vanilla. we don't know how to pronounce it, but
Oleoresin.
Olo.
It's the good stuff.
Yeah, it's just really, really potent vanilla essential oil. And it is not the same thing as vanilla extract, which you put in food, but this is just a safe fragrance that's
good for your skin too. And we're gonna put it in the link tree because we like the smell so much. We want you to be able to find it. All of these products were found on Amazon.
Yeah, so we'll link all of those in the link tree. But since it's so potent, you can add up to 30 drops of essential oil, but I would recommend we're gonna start with 10 of the vanilla. Maybe I should do. Okay, we're going for it.
We got to get rid of that beef tallow.
No
and
going
shea
back.
butter smell.
Yep. And then I'm going to do 5 of the sweet orange because I want it to smell more like vanilla than I do orange. Forget you going so aggressive with the oils. Okay.
Let's go.
Now we're going to whip it until it's nice and creamy and yeah.
And we'll see in a few minutes. This actually takes between 5 and 7 minutes. We'll be back.
Okay.
Here we are. We're back. We have this creamy post-sun butter delight. Let's put it in the jars.
It smells fantastic. We did end up adding another 10 drops of the vanilla and another 5 of the orange. So that brings us to a total of 20 and 10. So I'm going to eat my words about the vanilla is a very strong scent. However, I just really like to make sure that the smell of the shea butter and everything is covered up. So,
all right, and here we have one of our 5-ounce amber, actually 4-ounce, I'm sorry, amber glass jars. And we're filling this up. Juju is taking this south. Ooh, look at that. How fun is that? It's like whipped. Do you see how pretty it is in there?
It is so pretty.
Go ahead, Ju. I'm just going to show him this other jar too while you finish filling that. So we also got these 2-ounce Dry Bones Awake colored green jars as well if you wanted to do a little bit smaller version to share. We like to share stuff.
Or a travel size.
Or travel size. True, true. All right.
So it looks like it's gonna make a few batches. Just filled up one full.
All right, I'm gonna
4-ounce and oh, she's going.
I'm doing it. Goodness.
Oh.
Okay, it's definitely turned out great.
We'll have Chad come over here and smell it. Wait.
Come on over, Chad Garrett. See if you like the
smell. Our
smell.
lotion.
Smells good, but I'm not on camera.
Oh, well. He said it smells good.
True. Okay. Ooh, look at your skin. Okay. Young. Oh,
this wraps up our sun series. We did a sun scrub, a sun butter, and now a sun lotion for after the sun. And if you haven't seen those videos, go check them out. And thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you guys next time.
thanks.
Bye.
Bye.